Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Another video for Aliexpress unboxing. So a list of items that I ordered from Aliexpress, and let's have a look. So the first one is a cable that will allow me to transfer my old VCR VHS tapes into my computer. So this will transform the SCART cable into HDMI, and then I have a HDMI capture card where I will plug this one and I will be able to record or to capture my cassettes or my tapes, VHS tapes, old tapes, and recover my old footage. Okay, so be aware that requires that the USB cable to power up, otherwise it will not function. Okay, and I paid for these €7 and 31 cents. I will leave the links in the video description. Okay, so all the items that I will be showing here, the link will be in the video description. Okay, so the next one is a Type-C to USB hub. And more or less all the items are really cheap, but for me, really useful. So if you want to buy one of these in a store, probably you will pay about 10, 12 euros. And this one was really cheap, and also is a card reader. So besides being a USB hub, it's a card reader. So this was inside this package below, where all these items I paid only 9.90 cents, but this one it was €2 and 80 cents. So amazing purchase for me. So the next one is a simple cable, a USB 3 cable, but this one is to put to work inside somewhere hidden. Okay, so you can secure with 2 screws, and I will be using this to pull USB 3.0 from behind of a computer to the front. Okay, and that way I spare some money instead of buying a car to the front of the old tower that I have. So this was €2 and 48, and now this is a replica of a Canon lens, but this is a mug. It's really small, so I made a mistake when ordering it, because I thought this one was good for coffee or tea or juice or water, but I didn't notice the size. So when it arrived, I was laughing at the package, saying, "What the hell?" So this one will be just to keep SD cards or screws or coins, small stuff. Okay, uh, but I was not defeated, so I went again to AliExpress and I ordered the right one. So this is the right one. So this is a mug where you can drink your coffee, your tea, your milk, your juice, your water, your wine, your whiskey, whatever you want. Okay, and as you can see, it doesn't say Canon, of course, but it's seen from far. It seems a real lens. Okay, so it's really nice to have it on your setup, and for me it was really nice. I wished I've seen these before online, but they were really expensive, like €20 or something like that. And now, as I told you in the other videos, if you go on the first page of AliExpress, there is an option to buy stuff by half or less than half of the price, and this one was like €5 also. Let me show you the link. Okay, now compare the small one with the bigger one, and now, so this is the small one, €4 and 87, and then the bigger one, you see, €5 and 5. And but normally the price is not this one. So yeah, I got it like these ones from the first page. Okay, so this one, it's not so cheap. So this is Ulanzi, and this is a fast charger for batteries, Sony batteries. Normally those batteries are used on cameras, on lights, on electronic devices. And so this one, it's really nice because you can attach it to your mirrorless camera or other camera, because it has a hot shoe that you can attach, and then you can power up your camera directly. So instead of having a small battery, you can power up your camera directly from here, or your light, or your monitor, and it's really nice. Okay, so possibly I will do a video with attaching this to my camera and showing how it works. So you see there is a connection here below, and we have the output USB and USB-C, and really nice. Okay, so it works with these batteries that I'm currently using on my monitor, the one I'm using to record this video. And yeah, really nice purchase. So it comes with two cables, one USB to USB-C, and another one USB-C to USB-C. Ulanzi NPF01. And the connection for the hot shoe, it was also included. It comes out of the box, at least the purchase, the store that I purchased from, they sent me this. Okay, don't forget, the links will be in the video description. Let me know if you have any comments, if you think these items are useful or not. Let me know what you think. Let's continue. So I will I will show you the link. So this was 23 euros and 62 cents, and the link will be in the video description. Okay, so let's continue now. The next one, so this is a no cable fast charger, so wireless charger, so where you can put your phone over and be able to charge without plugging in your phone. Okay, and if you don't have a smartphone with a wireless charger capability, you can have one like this. So I also ordered this one, and you just need to connect it to your phone, as you can see. So you grab your phone, and you just connect. Okay, now I put the rubber protection again, and it's ready. So imagine that this is powered and will start charging right now. So this is an option if you would like to have a wireless charger working on your phone, and it was really cheap. So the links will be in the video description. I will show you right away the prices. And so the receiver 2.97, and the charger below, the white one, 5 euros and 58. Okay, fast charging. And okay, so the next one is an adapter that will allow me to use Canon FD old lenses on micro four thirds. So I have a Canon Lumix that uses micro four third lenses. So with this adapter, I will be able to use Canon FD. So I have a lot of old lenses, and I like to buy these adapters to be able to use those old lenses on modern cameras for photo and video, and they work amazing. Okay, and this one was €8 and 61 cents. Okay, so let's proceed to another product, and this one will be the last of the video. So this is a solid state drive portable case, really small, really good quality. So this is aluminum, and it comes with two cables, a screwdriver, some paperwork, and it's really nice constructed. It's really small, so it fits nice in your pocket, so you can travel now and take your data always with you, and if you drop it, it will not gonna break, and probably it can stand a fire because this is completely sealed and it's not plastic, this is aluminum, and it's really good quality. Okay, so there are two options. You can buy NGFF or NVMe. I went for the green one, which is NGFF. There is also an option to buy it for NVMe, which NVMe stands for non-volatile memory express. Okay, so those ones are even faster than these, which is a M2 normal SSD. Okay, so those orange strips you can stick on your solid state drive for the temperature. And about the cables, we have one USB normal, two USB-C, and another one USB-C to USB-C. Some paperwork explaining everything, and that's it. This was the unboxing. This is my third video of China AliExpress products. So if you like this kind of videos, check the other two. One of those have 30 different items. So don't forget to drop a like if you like the video and consider to subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and I catch you on a new one. Bye bye.